State of Decay 2. State of Decay 2. Killer Instinct. Killer Instinct. Marvel vs. Capcom Infinite. Marvel vs. Capcom Infinite. Tetris Effect Connected. Tetris Effect Connected. Gears of War 4. Gears of War 4. The Division. The Division. Sniper Elite 4. Sniper Elite 4. Age of Empires Roman 3. Age of Empires Roman 3. Battlefield 1. Battlefield 1. Gears 5. Gears 5. Payday 2. Payday 2. Halo 5 Guardians. Halo 5 Guardians. World War Z. World War Z. Halo Reach. Halo Reach. Titanfall 2. Titanfall 2. Ark Survival Evolved. Ark Survival Evolved. No Man's Sky. No Man's Sky. Halo 3. Halo 3. Overcooked 2. Overcooked 2. Dead by Daylight. Dead by Daylight. Forza Horizon 4. Forza Horizon 4. Rocket League. Rocket League. Halo, the Master Chief Collection. Halo, the Master Chief Collection. Human Fall Flat. Human Fall Flat. Sea of Thieves. Sea of Thieves.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.